Hello everyone, Tom here, and I have in front of me both our cutting board packages that we sell and also the blanks that we sell. So I thought I'd mention quickly something about these blanks. So we sell these in a variety of different species, and they're of course species that we've chosen to be especially good for cutting boards. And currently I think there's 7 species on the website, and you can keep an eye on the website to keep track of that. And we sell them in 3 different sizes. They come in 3/4 of an inch and 1 inch and 1 1/4 inches thick. And they're all 1 5/8 inches in depth, so you can expect a cutting board that will finish a minimum of 1.5 inches thick. So of course we make blanks available so that you can design your own cutting board. You don't need to be stuck with the selection that we provide for you in the packs, even though of course we do our best to provide you with a really nice pack. If you want a more unique cutting board, you can take a look at the different species and choose a different color, make something that's especially unique. So take a look at the website and enjoy making your cutting boards, and as always, please enjoy your woodworking.